This is an initiative of the Illinois State Police. It improves the FOID card process, providing more due process, more access to records.
This is a lack of due process. This is giving state police the ability to take a constitutional right away and then the gun owner having to petition the court to get his right back.
It's critical to preserve the ISP's ability to take immediate administrative action, including the revocation of FOID cards when necessary, while ensuring a transparent process for reviewing and correcting erroneous determinations.
I just want to be sure that everyone understands before they vote on this. This prohibits ISP and the FOID Card Review Board from being held liable for damages in any civil action arising from the alleged wrongful or improper granting, denying, renewing, revoking, suspending, or failing to grant, deny, renew, revoke, or suspend a firearm owner's identification card. With this bill, we're taking away the ability to have civil litigation against the review board, the FOID review board, and against ISP on all of these FOID issues.